I was dozing off. That's how tired I was. So now it has dried. It's time to remove it. This is so thick. Ooh, if you see crazy face expression, please excuse more. Don't judge, don't laugh, because it is beauty cause pain. Okay. Oh, my eyes is staring. Oh, I'm crying. Oh, poor Ami. Ami's crying. Every time I do this thing, I swear I'm crying. My nose is so sensitive. Every time I do this shit, I'm crying. I don't know, I'm crying. Oh my God. Oh, God. Yo, I don't know. You guys cannot see it, but the shade that came out. Every time I do my nose, I'm crying. I'm literally always crying because it doesn't matter how often I do this thing, my eyes just start watering. It's just crazy. But it's good doing this. At least I know for the next 2 to 3 weeks, my skin is good. If I want to go out, I don't need to do any of these things. I can just wash my face, do my makeup, and get out of the house. But I actually wanted to do this Jogobe face scrub because I wanted to leave it in before I take shower, because dinner time is past. It's almost bedtime. I try to go to bed as early as I can. I try to at least get an 8 hours sleep. Like, it's must that I get an 8 hours sleep. Oh, it feels so good. It's about time to take shower. I don't know if I'm the only one that does this, like that really go in for bedtime routine than morning daytime routine. Is different. At night I'm ready to wash out all the sweat, the dirt, just clean everything and just looking fresh, feeling fresh. It's almost bedtime, so I'm about to take shower anytime from now. I'm about to take shower anytime from now. So let me just leave this in. It has this minty thing, so it's kind of like make my eyes a little bit watery because of the mint. But you know what? It is what it is. I love self-care. Like, if I would have saved all the money I use on self-care, I would have built a house in my village. I would have built a house in my village, but no. Don't forget the neck. When I don't want to put it because when it dries, the things start coming out. But when I'm ready to take shower, I'll bring it down to my neck as well. I like to cover the entire eyebrow. Only my eyes. You see? So I'm looking. Am I looking cute? Do I look cute? Okay. I'm gonna leave it in for 20 minutes. I love this. I also pick up their night cinema, if I'm not mispronouncing the name. I love that one, but when it's finished, I was like, okay. I love the face mask, face scrub / face. I love this one more. So yeah. So guys, this is it. Now I'm just gonna leave this one to process, and then very soon is bedtime, and then I'll just take shower, body scrub, body oil, moisturize, pamper the skin, and then go to bed. So yeah, hope you all like it, and see you all in my next video. Take good care of yourself, okay? Regardless of whatever is going on in your life, take good care of yourself, because this body is the only vessel you have to carry you along. So life is going to life is going to come with its ups and downs. Cry a bit, eat a bit, sleep a bit, and take care of yourself. Because life is always going to life, but don't ever make life you. Anyway, thank you guys so much. Peace out.